The first verb every English learner must know, am, is, are. Hello, and welcome back to the channel. If you are new here, I am so happy you found this video. And look at that. I just used today's magic verb twice. I said you are new and I am happy. Today, I'm going to teach you the most important verb in the entire English language. It's called the verb to be, and it has only 3 little forms: am, is, are. Master these 3 words and you can already build hundreds of sentences. Let's go.
Okay, here's the rule, and I promise it's easier than you think. I always goes with am. I am. Say it with me. I am. He, she, and it go with is. He is, she is, it is. And everything else, you, we, they, goes with are. You are, we are, they are. That's it. That's the whole rule. 3 forms. Let me show you how powerful this is. With to be, you can say who you are. I am Maria. I am a nurse. I am from Brazil. You can say how you feel. I am happy. He is tired. We are hungry. You can say where things are. She is at home. My phone is in my bag. And you can describe anything. The coffee is hot. This video is helpful, I hope. Your name, your feelings, places, descriptions, all with one tiny verb. That's why we learn it first. Now, let me give you 2 quick bonus tricks. Trick number 1. To say no, just add not. Watch. I am tired becomes I am not tired. She is here becomes she is not here. Or the short way, she isn't here. They are teachers becomes they aren't teachers. Trick number 2. To ask a question, just flip the sentence. Move the verb to the front. You are happy becomes are you happy? She is a doctor becomes is she a doctor? It is cold today becomes is it cold today? No extra words, just flip it. How easy is that? All right, now the part that will save you from embarrassment. Here are the 3 mistakes I hear all the time. Let's fix them right now so you never make them. Mistake number 1. I is a student. No. It's I am a student. Remember, I and am are married. They never separate. Mistake number 2. She happy. This sounds natural in many languages, but in English, you can never skip the verb. It's she is happy. Every English sentence needs its verb. And mistake number 3, this one is huge. I have 30 years. I know. In Spanish, French, Portuguese, and many other languages, you have your age. But in English, you are your age. I am 30 years old. Say it with me. I am 30 years old. Okay, quiz time. Answer out loud before I do. Ready? Number 1. My name, Anna. Did you say is? Perfect. Number 2. I, from Brazil. Am. Excellent. Number 3. We, watching this video. Are. You've got it. And the last one, turn this into a question. You are ready. Are you ready? Amazing. Look at what you can do now. You can introduce yourself, describe your feelings, say where you are, ask questions, all in English, all with 3 little words. Here's your homework, and it takes 30 seconds. Tonight, look in the mirror and say 3 sentences. I am learning English. Do it every day this week, and am, is, are will become automatic. If this video helped you, hit that like button. It really helps the channel. And subscribe, because next lesson,
I'm teaching you the present simple, the tense you'll use every single day. Remember, you are a learner. You are brave. And you are already speaking English. See you in the next video.